So thank you, Srini, and cannot agree more. We are in fact having AAF, to start with, to help the institution. This is Alumni Advisory Forum. So this is the beginning step where these people who have done MBA, who are professionally, or not just MBA, but who have that leadership, proven leadership track, is voluntary forum which will actually advise us on what to do. So that's the first step, but other things also should follow very soon. Now, I would like to request Mr. BVR Mohan Reddy, who is the face of IT for Hyderabad, and who actually made Hyderabad proud time and again. Please.
Dr. Raj Reddy, dignitaries at the function today, faculty members, ladies and gentlemen. Let me also join the earlier speakers in terms of congratulating all of you for this achievement of celebrating your 15th anniversary. 15 years is certainly not a very short time in the life of any institution. We go and look at Dow Jones Industrial Average, which got created about 100 years back. No more than about 6 companies lasted for 100 years. So therefore, that's a big achievement for yourself. And I keep saying, if you look at successful institutions around the world, one thing that will come and hit your eye. What's that about? It's nothing other than leadership. And nations, institutions, industry, organizations, societies have prospered because of leadership. I think we've been very fortunate, and I as a Hyderabadi will say that, to have had this outstanding leadership, led by Dr. Raj Reddy, Mr. Chandrasekhar, Mr. Ajay Sahani, Srini Raju, Professor Govinda Rajulu, Professor Singhal, all of them. So let's join our hands to first congratulate all of them and thank them. Great job done by them. So thank you very much, sir. Certainly, I think Mr. Chandrasekhar especially gave a very good overview of what the industry has been and what are the challenges that we have to face at this point of time. We're very fortunate, again, Mr. Chandrasekhar comes to us at the right time to provide leadership at NASSCOM as the president. A lot of time has also been spent in terms of what we have achieved in 15 years. But I think, as I keep saying all the time, that I like to spend very little time watching what is in the rear view mirror of my car, as opposed to I see what is ahead of me. So honestly, I feel that we have an extremely promising future ahead of us. Maybe I belong to a generation, or some of us who are here in this meeting belong to a generation which is ahead of times. But most of you in this audience today belong to a generation which is current, a generation which has brought in so much amount of change to human beings. The way in which we think, the way in which we behave, the way in which we transact, all of them have gone through a change. And change brings along with it a challenge. And challenge brings an opportunity. So here you are at the cusp of a big opportunity in front of you. Certainly, yes, I think this industry has done an outstanding job in growing to be $100 billion. But I think the opportunity to grow to $300 billion certainly seemed to be very true and valid. Companies have grown to be services companies, moving into a subsystem level companies, primarily trying to migrate themselves into solution-oriented companies. So that transformation will occur for sure. And again, rightly, Mr. Chandrasekhar pointed out, and these are the two things which are very dear to me too, is what will make the difference to this nation and the industry is innovation and entrepreneurship. So if you can, instead of becoming, going for jobs, become job creators, bring about more amount of innovation, I'm sure there's going to be lots of future for all of us. On that count, once again, let me congratulate again the past leadership and the current leadership led by Professor Narayanan, Professor Vasudev Varma, all of them. Wish you all good luck, and thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.